Okay guys, so I got up a little bit ago at like 7 and it's now like 10. I've just been like rounding up all of the stuff that I need to pack, and what's it called? I just threw some makeup on too. I'm not done with my makeup. I just like did my base makeup. So I'm looking a little bit white probably, but I literally have most of the stuff that I want to pack. I want to go through and show you a couple of the outfits that I'm packing. I'm also going to be showing you what I'm going to be wearing to the airport. But this is the Haze luggage, medium size. Most of these items that I'm packing, I also featured in a video of mine that was like how to style non-touristy outfits. So I'm going to just show you a couple of the outfits that I'm packing here so that you guys can like get an idea of like the look I'm going for. Alexa, what's the weather like in Seoul, South Korea right now?
In Seoul, South Korea, it's 38 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies, with a high of 60 degrees and a low of 36 degrees.
Okay, so it's actually pretty cold in Korea. I live in Los Angeles and it's always like cold for me is like 50s, 60s. So that's the high right now, which means I don't even know if I'm gonna need these shorts. So I'll probably just bring 4 pairs of pants and start bringing some like layering pieces to start layering. So let me show you guys the outfits I'm packing. So this outfit is just probably going to be one of my daytime looks. This is the same top that I'm going to be traveling with, and I know that's kind of like gross, so that's why I'm kind of like iffy, like should I travel with this, should I not, maybe I should change in flight. But I really do want to travel with this because it's really cute. I'm going to show you guys my airport outfit in just a second. But these jeans are Zara and all of the products will be linked down below. But yeah, this is going to be one of my outfits, really basic, but let's switch it up and show you guys a couple of the other outfits. So here is my official like airport outfit that I'm planning on wearing. I have these ARITZIA white sweats, the TNA line, in a size small. And they're just really thick and cozy. They're not sheer or see-through at all, which I love, but I just paired like a long cardigan over just to like cover my butt and also just for extra warmth. Now I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to wear this top. I want to, but because I also want to wear it like while I'm in Korea, I'm scared that it's gonna like smell or be gross, and I don't know if I'll have a laundry situation, so I really want to wear this. But let me show you guys the other option, which is a little bit colder, and I don't want to wear that one as much, but let me show you guys the other top. This is the other top. This is from ARITZIA, again from their TNA line, and this one is really, really nice and snug. It's also in a size small. I really like this tank top a lot, but I think I'm gonna be freezing in the airplane. I might wear this as my base while I'm in LA, and then when I do get colder, I might throw on a hoodie, like because I have a white hoodie that would go really well with this outfit here. So I'm not exactly sure if like which one I should do. Comment down below and let me know, because I'm not leaving till Friday, so I'll definitely take your guys' comments into consideration. I am bringing this like SHEIN coat. You guys have seen this in so many of my other videos recently, and I do plan on styling it as a blazer dress if I'm going out for one of the nights, which is going to be perfect. But I also am bringing a one shoulder sweater kind of shirt too. So this one here is by Revolve. It's a like brand called Michael something. I'm not exactly sure. It was on sale for like $40 and I was like shocked because Revolve is always like over $100 for anything there. And then I'm just pairing it with my white Levi's jeans. You guys have seen these wedgie fit jeans before, but I'm visiting one of the brands and I felt like a one shoulder top I always feel super confident in. So I thought I would just wear this and then the coat over because it's probably gonna be cold. So yeah, that is one of the outfits. So I just showed you a couple of the outfits on and my airport outfit. Honestly, the reason why I'm not showing you all of them is because it literally is the exact same outfits as the how to not look like a tourist video that I did. So I'm not even going to go through because it literally is the same. I know that one of the hotels has a laundry machine, so that's really great, and I might do some laundry. When I travel with my family, I know that like my dad and my brother, they're like super casual guys, you know what I mean? Like they're not really like, they don't dress up, you know, they're very casual men. And I have a feeling that when they see my outfits, they're gonna be like, oh gosh, you're so dressed up. But the thing is, like, there's some like work element in this because I am going to be visiting a couple of brands and stuff like that. So in terms of like my bigger jackets and coats, I do like to throw like my bigger jackets and coats and dresses and stuff in here. I might pack another jumpsuit just because I think jumpsuits are really easy to wear. So I leave Saturday. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to pack 6 outfits. So I have I technically have over 6 outfits. I have a couple of dressy outfits. I feel good about my outfits. Like I feel like they're not too crazy. These are just my slippers. They'll go in my travel luggage. I also want some space because I have a feeling I'm gonna get some gifted products, which I like don't expect brands to give this to me, but I'm visiting a brand and I just have a feeling that they're gonna send me home with some stuff. So I do want to leave my luggage like a little bit spacious. Amazing. Okay, and now I have so much space in here for my jumpsuits or anything else. I do have a bra case from Victoria's Secret. Probably won't use it because I think that might be a little much. I used to travel with that thing, but it does take up a lot of space. So, and then I'll just end up closing this up. But that's pretty much all of my, that's pretty much all the outfits that I'm gonna be packing. So excited. So a couple of days before I go on my trips, I like to wash all my makeup brushes. Just my eye brushes with this tool here. This is the, let me show you guys. This is the SIGMAGIC scrub. So with this, I really just like to wash my eye brushes with this. This is really good just for eye brushes because of how small this thing is. I'm just gonna go ahead and start washing my makeup brushes. As you can see, it's like completely clean now and it's really easy. Let's do this brush. Okay, you see how dirty that brush is? So dirty. Okay. By the way, you can get 10% off with the code in my seams on sigma.com, which is awesome in my opinion. And I use a lot of Sigma products, which I think is great. I even use the code sometimes when I'm purchasing my own stuff from the site. It's so easy. Look at that. Like, look at how clean that brush just got. Isn't that so clean? Alright, perfect. So I just washed all of my makeup brushes using, again, the SIGMAGIC Sigma scrub. So all of my brushes are now clean and ready to go. So all of my makeup brushes are now clean. Let me show you guys. All of these guys are clean. I just travel with like this makeup bag that I got from Victoria's Secret. Most of all of my makeup on one side, and then I'll have my skincare on the other. Kate Somerville Exfoliate, a mini contact solution. I have like a travel size shaving cream, as well as this new Dr. Ginger's coconut oil toothpaste that I'm trying out. I've been trying it on my teeth this whole week. I just feel like it doesn't foam up as much as regular toothpastes do, but I've really been enjoying this if you're looking for an all-natural toothpaste. When I've packed most of my stuff at this point, I really like to write down the rest of the stuff that I need. So I'll just open up to a new page. I still need to put in my hair products and body wash, moisturizer, and SPF. I had to step away for a little bit because P and I decided to do a little photo shoot in between while I was filming, so I started like packing all of my stuff here, but then I stopped, so I'm back. I also got a package from Banana Republic while I was gone. So I got these white denim shorts, which are incredible, and I wish I would have waited and featured them in my best shorts video because these are actually really, really amazing. So I really do like these a lot. And then I got the same cut in a like wide leg crop pant. So I'm not going to take either of these to Korea. I originally purchased these shoes with the thought of taking them to Korea, honestly. Like, I was like, I need a pair of like dressy shoes that are going to be comfortable and stuff. But I'm going to be like completely honest with you guys, like after a while, like these get really uncomfortable. So These just came in the mail from Banana Republic, and I wanted to bring like an espadrille just because I feel like they're very travel friendly. They'll probably also keep my feet like a lot warmer than the espadrilles, the other ones. So, and wearing socks underneath them, like no-show socks underneath them. Really excited for these, and these are just gonna go in my little Haze luggage packing cube. So these are just gonna go in here, and they're perfect size. I want to bring my gym shoes and my jump rope. Those are like two things that I really want to bring, because even if I can't like, you know, do weights or anything, at least I'll be able to like have my jump rope and do my Nike training app and stuff. So I do want to bring that. Okay, so for shoes, I'm kind of all set. I think I'm just gonna bring these and then my Fila Disruptor 2s I'm gonna wear to the airport. Okay. Oh my god, you scared me. I do need to bring some sports bras as well. I want to bring some sports bras too. Like maybe one. Because let's be honest, how much am I really gonna work out, you know? My makeup bag, let me just show you guys really quick what it looks like. Like, I'm completely done with my makeup bag. So this has all of my makeup in it. Some of the key items I have in here, like a mini travel size Fix Plus. I've got the only eyeshadow palette I'm taking, the Natasha Denona Mini Nudes palette. And then I've got my Silicone Beauty Blender travel case for my beauty. In this middle compartment here, I have lashes, eyeliner, twisting, sharpener, scissors, some eye drops, and some travel, like a sample size cleanser. And then in here, I've got, so this is really amazing. It's a balm, what is it called? Cleansing butter balm, like chamomile thing by the Body Shop. I really love this stuff, and it removes all my eye makeup really nicely. And then I have some like small little sized shampoos and conditioners. I have my wipes, and then for SPF on this trip, I'm taking the Unseen sunscreen by Supergoop, and I love this one. It's almost like a primer. That's everything that's inside of here. My leather jacket needs to go inside of here as well. So like for me, when I travel, leather jackets are just a staple. Like I need to have it with me. You can just throw a sweater on under this and you'll be fine. You know what I mean? But I like packing a lot. Like that's just who I am. Like I overpack. I need to be ready for all situations. I don't think I'm gonna bring this t-shirt dress though. It's like now that I'm thinking about it again, I don't think I'll need it. I know I said I wasn't gonna wear shorts, but I'm just bringing this to wear with the blazer dress if I do end up wearing it as a blazer dress. What I love about the Haze luggage packing cubes is that they have like a little zipper up on the top. The Amazon ones just look like this with like a little handle up top, but they just look like this. But this one actually has a little pocket, so I could put like my underwear or socks or anything, which I really, really like about that. So that's all, like literally all of this is for 6 days. Like everything I have in here has like there's like over 5 outfits in here, and I'm there for like 6 days, which is awesome. I might just bring this sweater, this white UNIQLO sweater that you guys have seen. I might just bring that in my carry-on along with my cardigan. So I just like having like extra jackets on hand in my carry-on. Now I'm going to be doing a what's in my carry-on when I get to the airport, so I'm not actually gonna show you guys my carry-on here, but let's actually see approximately how much my suitcase weighs. Oh, it's feeling actually quite heavy. If you guys didn't watch my like luxury travel packing tips video, you guys have to watch that, because the Haze luggage thing, the Haze luggage has like this Bluetooth locking situation. So let me just make sure I'm connected. I'm gonna lock it up. Well, it's technically unlocked, and then all you do is like you push up and then it pops the keys right open, and then you're good. But let's just, whatever, we'll leave it locked for now. Let's do the scale. So you hit the scale button, and then you literally lift up this handle, and it tells you approximately how much your luggage weighs. So we're gonna actually try it. I'm gonna press the weight button. I'm lifting it up. We'll see how many kgs it says approximately. So it says about it says about 27 pounds or 12.5 kilograms, which is awesome. So I know exactly how much my luggage is approximately weighing. When I was in college, my luggage was always super overweight. So this is like honestly a really helpful tip, or like a little helpful like hack, I guess. And then it also has a proximity alarm, so I can know where my luggage is. Like, you just press the track button, and then it like pings your phone if you're a little bit too far from your luggage. But what I love is like just how sleek the design is. It rolls so well. Like, this rolling situation is amazing. So yeah, that's my Haste luggage. I love it so much, and you probably will see it styled on my Instagram. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's so different from the other videos that I've done, like the format of it, but I thought you guys might enjoy this vlog style. So let me know if you liked it with a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!